Hello everyone, welcome back to Fluent English UK. We're really happy to have you here with us again. Alex, let me tell you something. Yesterday I met someone new, and everything was going well. We were talking, smiling, having a nice conversation. And then suddenly, they asked me a very simple question. What do you do? And for a moment, I completely froze.
Oh no, that happens more often than people think. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fluent English UK. We're really pleased to have you here learning English with us. And honestly, that question sounds simple, but it can be quite difficult to answer.
Yes, exactly. Because you don't just need vocabulary, you need confidence too.
Oh yes, that's absolutely right. And that's exactly what we're going to help you with today.
Dear listeners, today you're not just listening, you're part of the conversation. So imagine this. You meet someone for the first time and they smile and ask you, "What do you do?" What would you say?
Yes, this is your moment. Don't overthink it, just answer. Say it out loud if you can. Even a simple answer is perfect.
You can say, "I'm a student. I work in a shop. I'm an engineer." Very simple, very natural.
Brilliant. And if you want to sound a bit more natural, you can say, I work as a teacher. I work in an office.
Yes, that sounds great. But Alex, why do people get nervous when answering this question?
Good question. I think it's because people want to sound perfect. They start thinking, is my English correct? Am I saying it the right way? And then they stop speaking.
Yes, that's so true. But the secret is, you don't need perfect English.
Exactly. Simple English is powerful English. If people understand you, that's already a success. This reminds me of something that happened to me. It was actually a bit embarrassing.
Oh no, I like these stories already. Go on, tell us.
All right. So I met someone new. And of course, they asked me, "What do you do?"
Classic question.
Yes! And I was a bit nervous. I wanted to say, I work as a teacher. But instead, I said, I work as a talking person.
That's brilliant. A talking person?
Yes! And the worst part, I didn't even realize immediately.
Oh no. What did they do?
They looked at me and smiled politely. But I could see in their eyes, they are confused.
That's so funny.
Then I realized my mistake. And I quickly said, "Sorry, I'm a teacher."
Perfect recovery. That's exactly what you should do.
Yes, don't panic. Just correct yourself.
Okay, everyone. Let's practice properly now. We're going to do this together.
Imagine again. Someone asks you, "What do you do?"
Now answer. Slowly. Take your time.
You can say, "I'm a student. I work in an office. I work with people."
Yes, that's excellent.
And if you want to say more, you can add, "I work in a small company. I work in a big office."
Very natural.
All right, another question for you. Do you enjoy your job? Come on, answer in English.
You can say, "I really like my job." Or, "It's okay." Or even, "I don't like it."
Remember, you don't need big words. You need confidence.
Yes, speak, even if it's simple. That's how you improve.
All right, last question for today. What do you do? Tell us in the comments.
Yes, we'd love to read your answers.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to Fluent English UK. Keep practicing, keep learning, and most importantly, enjoy the process.
Take care, everyone, and we'll see you in the next conversation.